Viewers and audiences, do you know what is the biggest power of the world which is used by the rulers, governments, and the authorities against the people? Yeah, I can explain. That's fear. The biggest word. Fear might be of many kinds. For example, I have a fear of not having livelihood for tomorrow. I have a fear of my parents, what they will say. I have a fear of my sister brothers, my neighbors, my society as well. I have a fear of my children, they are going to school, and I have a fear not coming back in the evening at their homes. I have a fear. So that's why I am unable to speak a single word, which I think that actually true. And I not only think that actually true, that is true according to those standards which are already settled by the government rulers, lawmakers, and the religion. But I am unable to speak a single word like that, because those words are not myself, are not my own self words, but actually those words are made by the lawmakers, by the religion, by the rulers, by the authorities, by the governments. But I can't speak. Why? Because I have fear. Nelson Mandela said, if you are going to do something big, then you should be ready for that, to die. If you are not ready to die for that, you are unable to do that. Then what can I do? I have fear. So first I have to get rid of the fear. I have to disclose myself. I have to explore myself. The most important thing is that first I have to understand the distinguish between right and wrong, what I am saying. Either it is right or wrong. So if I would be able to learn that what I am saying, that's right or wrong, and that its rightness and wrongness should not be based on my own principles, but that actually should be based upon the laws, upon the principles and rules which are made by the religion, by the lawmakers, by the rulers, by the authorities, by the governments. And if I can't speak a single word about that which is made by the rulers, governments, and the authorities, then it means that I have a fear. I have a fear. So first I have to remove that fear. I have to get rid of it. Doesn't mean that I am saying that you have an insulting behavior for the people, for the society, or someone you dislike or like. I think you should have a respective behavior, and in a respective behavior you have to say the things. If you do this is a good job, and also great job for society, for you, and you are doing a great job for religion as well, because you are not saying anything against those rules and principles, but actually that is according to the rules and principles made by them, by the religion, by the rulers, by the governments, and by the authorities. But actually they don't like I say. My question is, then why they have made it? They have to remove it. The rightness and wrongness should not be based upon the principles which you made, but actually on the principles and rules which made by some fair personalities. You should be a fearless person. People play with you. because they know you have fear, and they will continue their duty because they know you have fear. You think over it. Be a fearless person, but not having an irrespective attitude for the people. Be a fearless person, but not having an insulting attitude for the people.